Welcome to the info of ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. After that, tap here to about phone, and then also to scroll a little bit just down here in the system section, and you'll see here the developer options section if they are activated. And if you want to hide them, you should just click here once on the switcher to use the developer options, and now we can see that all of the options they are blocked. And let's go back just to the system section, and we can see that the developer options section is gone. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.